Good morning, YouTube world. Woke up a little late. It's almost gonna be 9 in a few minutes. But I made me some breakfast, some eggs, scrambled eggs with jalapeno eggs. And turn my coffee boiler on. And I'm getting watermelon right now. So I bought a watermelon yesterday. Cut the bottom to plant it and put it right there in the pot so it doesn't turn over. And have some watermelon. So how's everybody doing? I hope y'all doing good wherever in the world you're at. I'm based in Texas. And saying hi to everybody out there equally. So I'm gonna drink a little bit of Nescafe. I drink it. The only sugars I'm trying to intake right now, and I can't always follow my own guidelines, is natural sugars, like from fruit. But I'm drinking my coffee, or like I guess my cheating part is more like if I drink an energy drink, or I would imagine Powerade has sugar in it. I haven't even looked. But other than getting the granulated sugar and putting it in my coffee and other things like that, I don't do that. And here goes my coffee. So it's gonna be eggs, jalapeno eggs, watermelon, and coffee. That's all I'm gonna consume right now. And I hope everybody's having a good evening, good morning, wherever you're at, good afternoon. And talk to y'all later. Don't forget to go visit Philippines Dream or Reality. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.